my life, actually a few days in my life. Well, today I have received an Amazon package, which is something really exciting because I've ordered something really exciting and I really want to try that. And I thought I will unbox it on camera, so let's go.
I can't help but fall in love with you. I can't help but love the way you move. I can't help but try to make you feel the way. Make you feel like you deserve to. Girl, I know your last man would desert you. You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurt to go without you every day and every night. When you're one call away from being right by my side. Now, girl, why don't you stay in me and you talk about it? I ain't never gonna leave you in, don't you ever doubt it. Can you say what's on your mind? Sit down and let's talk, take all the...
Alright guys, it's been 3 days since I received my Boat earphones, AirDopes, and I wanted to really test it and tell you if it's really nice. Although this is not a tech channel and stuff, I just thought, I'll just make this a little informative since I unboxed it in front of y'all. So I use this, I've charged it once and I charged it that day, and from that day till today I've used it every single day for at least 2-3 hours, and I do not know how, but there's only one LED that's gone down. That means there's around 75% on this still, and the music quality is good. The design is so good, and it has this push button, so it gets locked like this, and when you push it, it opens. So this is how it looks, and inside this is how it is, and I really love the design. Although I had to change the what do you call this? I don't know, the suction thing to this, the tiniest one available, and oh, this is how it looks when the lights come on. This is charging right now. When it's blue, it means it's fully charged. When it's red, it means it's charging. The quality of the earphones is, the AirDopes is really good. At least I like it, and I'm not a person who requires too much of it. I edit with my headphones mostly, and this is just to listen to podcasts or just some music or just to talk sometimes, and that's all. I don't use it for anything other than this, and that is why I love this purchase. It was for 2,500 bucks. I will link it down in the description box. I'm not going to make any money out of it, nor do I have any coupon code, but yeah, if you really wish to buy it, this is the 311 V2 AirDopes from Boat. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this. If you're a person who does not have a lot of usage of AirDopes, then you can definitely go and get this. It's worth the price. And yeah, if you're wondering why I am this dressed up with like a full face of makeup today, because I am shooting another video with my mom, and I also wanted to make a vlog. So let's go. So guys, that's it. I got done filming a video with my mom, and that video was my mom reacting to my Instagram pictures. Basically, my mom sees a lot of my Instagram pictures because she follows me on Instagram, so there's nothing much to actually hide. But yeah, she told a lot about me, about how my behind the scene is, because she clicks most of my pictures, at least now. So it's a very fun, interesting video. It's a very funny video, and my mom's actually praised me a lot, which she never really does in real. But yeah, I didn't pay her for it, so she's done all of that good stuff. I will link it in the iCards and in the description box if it is already out. If not, please wait for it. So yeah, now that I am done with that and I'm sitting with a face full of makeup from morning, I thought, why not try optical illusion makeup? Because I have this really crazy concept in my head for Instagram, and I thought, why not? So this is what I really want to attempt to do. It's gonna be hard because my makeup skills are not really that great, but I'm still gonna try, and I'm gonna take you guys with me in this journey. Now I think the sunlight's gonna go down because it is 6:12. So I'm gonna shift to artificial lighting now and take you with me when I am doing my makeup, my optical illusion makeup. But if that turns out right, no, I swear to God, I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial for it. Now let's go and do it.
Off that we get from every day, trying to be good just like that we should, but it doesn't work anyway. One day let's go out, one day let's show out, so I can go back to my friends. Say that you're so great, only been on one day, but I hope that this never ends.
So guys, I I do not know if the camera is picking up, but this is how it looks. This is my no makeup and this is my makeup. Not much of a difference, I think. I don't know, but I don't know if this is looking like an optical illusion. I have to test it with artificial lighting though. But yeah, this is my outfit change. I just changed into this tube top because it's good to have a clean canvas, and that's what I've done. So let's click pictures now. Alright guys, so this is what I set up. This is my LED light panel. I don't know why, but okay, yeah, that's my LED light panel. Then I'm shooting from my phone, so my phone is here, and I'm shooting it on front camera portrait mode, and this is what my makeup looks. And I honestly feel like it really does look optical-ish. I'm not really completely sure about it because I don't really wear a very light tone foundation on me. I just wear my almost skin type and color foundation. So yeah, I don't think I've done a very good job at it, but I'm happy with the pictures. I will put that up on here as well as on my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram, so you'll see a lot of cool content there. And now I'm just gonna go remove my makeup off because it's almost 9 o'clock. And I'm done for the day. I've done too much in fact for the day, and I don't want to do anything more. I'll just go sit to editing the video that I shot with my mom today and figure out my schedule if I want to post it today or tomorrow. And from tomorrow I need to gear up to start studying for my GRE full time, and maybe one day I will do that, you know, study with me kind of a video. It sounds really cool to me, so I'll do that. But right now I will go remove all of this and see you guys.
I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? I say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you, do you...
As I'm filming this video, I'm here to tell you that my mom has finally decided to launch her YouTube channel, and the channel is live, and the link is again in my description box and in my pinned comments. Guys, please, I mean, she is standing up for all those ladies who really want to do something, but they are always so afraid of it. She's stepping out and doing something that not a lot of people do. So I would really suggest you guys to look into her channel and please subscribe to her channel, because you know, it's one way of motivating women who are way older, especially moms, to do something for themselves. And this quarantine has been such a blessing because my mom has actually decided to do this. She really wanted to do it from a long time, so finally she has put her step into it. So it'll mean the world to me if you guys could go and please appreciate that by just clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon. And I'm pretty sure she's going to entertain you guys with a lot of lifestyle videos, a lot of vlogs, a lot of cooking, and you guys have seen my mom in a lot of cooking videos so on my channel, so now it's going to be on her channel, so go ahead and follow her. And yeah, she's going to be doing a lot of Brown Mom Reacts videos as well, because we've always seen Brown Mom Reacts to my Instagram pictures and all of that. Now let's see the one with Desi Mom edition, so my mom's going to be doing a lot of that. And for now, please just subscribe to her channel, and yeah, watch the trailer which we just shot, and I have to go sit to edit that now. And I think I'm going to use Premiere Pro, so I'm going to learn Premiere Pro because I use iMovie, so I'm going to have to learn Premiere Pro and edit her video for her. So let's go. So guys, I tried editing on Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, and trust me, it was such a big task. I was not happy about it because I wasn't able to even figure things out, like the basic stuff of cutting and pasting and adding music to it and making it slow was so hard for me. I couldn't. My head started hurting because it was so precise. I couldn't do that because I'm so used to doing it on iMovies, and probably if my channel takes off pretty good, then I will shift to FCP because I'm an iOS user and I don't think I'm going to shift back. I'm just waiting to upgrade my phone and that's it. So yeah, right now I edited it on iMovies. Let me show you. These are the clips. I have edited them. Let me just give you a glimpse of it. Alright, so guys, I'm creating my mom's first channel. Your creator journey begins. Get started. Select. And my mom's channel, your channel Nandini Manohar, has been created. Yay. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. The first video is uploaded. It's private as of now, so I've scheduled it to 27 July 2020, 11 a.m. and that's what it is. Now I'm gonna click schedule.
You want me? Say I love you. Do you love me? I say I need you. Do you need me like I need you?
Guys, this is the next day. I did not vlog much yesterday because there was absolutely nothing to vlog or to show. So today we did that. By we, I mean my mom and I. Oh, my mom is not here. Okay, my mom and I did the fastest eating Golgappa challenge. We made the pani puri at home. Do not worry, we didn't buy it from out. And we ended up eating quite a lot. And now my stomach is hurting little because it was spicy. And my mom purposely made it spicy because she knows my spice tolerance is very bad. So you know, my mom is like that, and she has a channel. So as I remember previously in this vlog, I told you.
No dear, no.
Previously in my vlog, I told you my mom started a channel. Now today I'm telling you that my mom has 2 videos already, and her channel is doing pretty good. Touch wood. Guys, please go follow her and show her all your love and support. And you're going to see a lot of family behind the scenes on her channel, and as much as possible on my channel as well. So you might as well hit the subscribe button on both our channels. And if you like this video so far, please do hit the like button, share this with your friends, or comment down below and let me know what you like about this video, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Also, a bonus tip, I have made a video with my mom, that is my Desi mom reacts to my Instagram pictures. So even that video is going to be up, and I'm unsure about when it's going to be up. If it's already live by now, then I will link that also in the description box, so you can check it out. Follow me on my social media so you're notified every time I do something good or great in my life, or every time I do something in my life. Anyways, that's it. This is me signing off. I will see you next time really soon. I hope you all are safe, happy, healthy, and try to be a little productive if possible.
Please subscribe to daughter's channel.
Please guys. See, she's so cute. And subscribe to her channel as well. That's my mom, if you don't know already. And mama, say bye. Bye.
Be mine, give me all of your time, baby. Will you be mine? 'Cause I